This is a really super sweet tool. I think I picked it up at a flea market, out of all places, and so many moons ago, for something just like a couple dollars or something like that. But now I need to drill the hole for this, so I'm going to want to drill just the exact size, no bigger. So let's figure out what size that is. There we go. 15/64 will do it. 7/32 going to be too small, so it's 15/64. So I just got to go find that exact drill bit for the hole I'm going to drill. So I've got the bit, but not too fast. I got to double check it on this gauge just to make sure. Yep, that is the 15/64 without a doubt. Because who knows? Maybe this got put back in the wrong spot and I grabbed the wrong drill bit and drilled the wrong size hole. It's happened.